Okay, so this is Katy, who's just come back on the third day of the permanent makeup startup course. A little bit of a break to practice on the flat skins, and finally got around to working on some real live people.
Finally.
Yes, exactly. So Katy, how was it actually working this morning? If you can refresh your memory we had a lady in who was just having brows.
Yeah.
So how was it working on someone for the first time?
It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. It was a lot smoother and it went really well. So it's good.
Really? Why was that then? Is that just different than the practice skins that you used to?
Yeah, it's a lot easier on actual people because also they got their own natural hair and so it's a lot better.
I suppose you've got something to match it to, haven't you?
Yeah, definitely.
Colours.
Hair colours and...
Excellent. And then obviously this afternoon we had another lady in. This time she had brows and liner. Maybe not the easiest person to work on because she was actually someone we trained about, was it 10 years ago?
Yeah, she already had them done. So
yeah, and she actually is a permanent makeup artist, so was it a little bit more nerve-wracking working on someone?
Not really, it's quite good actually. She could sort of tell you any little tips and...
Yeah, so like when she felt you weren't pressing hard enough, she'd tell you? And...
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, no, it's really handy actually.
Excellent. So you've done there's 3 different treatments today. So have you found the break has helped as well, having a bit of time to practice in between?
Yeah, definitely, because I've been practicing at home now for about five months. So
wow.
Yeah, sort of was ready to come back.
Wasn't supposed to be quite that long, but Mr. Johnson decided that we couldn't work on people for a bit longer. So there we go. But obviously it was good that you put the practice in the meantime because it pays off when you're actually doing the clients.
Yeah, definitely knew what to expect, made it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Definitely worth it.
Brilliant. Well, a great first day of live models, and we'll catch up when you finish up tomorrow. Cheers, Katy.
Thanks.